Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn an application. Write an application to your principal for half day leave for school. To, the principal, school name, full stop, school address, date, sir or madam, with due respect, I would like to inform you that I want to leave school after lunch because suddenly I am suffering from stomach pain. So kindly grant me leave of absent for half day. I shall be very thankful to you for this favor. Yours obediently, x.y.z. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.